Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Toyota Pirus in here, and we're going to show you how to change a cabin filter. Okay, so glove box. Open the glove box up, and what we do is either side here, we've got to pinch that in and just drop it down a little bit. So I'm going to try and do that just like that, and the other side. There we go. Just drop down a little bit there, and on the side there's a little piston, so we just pull that off that, and then basically that's it. We've dropped the glove box out of the way, so now we can see the filter element cover. It's just here, so basically now just literally pull in either side on that clip there, just a little bit, just pulls it out. So there we go. That's the filter out. So full of debris. So get rid of that. Pretty dirty actually. There we go. Okay, so that's filthy. That one's out. Got the new one. We got the new one there. So we'll just get that one in there. Caught my glove in there. There we are. So that one's ready to go back in, and we just do the opposite of taking it out. So we just slide that back in there, push it home nice and firm. That's it. That's back in there. Obviously we've got the glove box to go back on, so there's those two clips there, one there, one there. Just a little push on there, up we go. Just pull down that little damper again, and just push that onto there, and then basically just push that across on there, and this one's the same, and there we go. All done, guys. So that's the Toyota Pirus cabin filter replacement, 2003 to 2009. Nice and easy. If that helps, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Many thanks. Until next time.